ilaw ka.
Mingas malas kung ako'y tawagin. Mga lalaki nangigigil sa akin. Ayaw pa ako.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I'm going to unbox the one that I buy. Okay, what's this? Unboxing my charger, because as you can see, my iPad have a charger with a broke cable, so almost dying now. See? So, di ba ang linis? Anyway, you know my eyes is feeling sleepy now, but I try to finish this vlog. So this is the one I bought from one of the department store in Abudhabi. Choitram. They call it Choitram supermarket, department store. Actually guys, this is iPhone or iPad charger cable. So I have already the thing that you have to put the cable. So I'm unboxing this one right now. So this costs only 26 dirham, but the original price is 55. So it was on sale. Of course, I don't want to buy something that I spend much money. Actually, I'm trying to find also. Oh my God! I'm trying also to buy headset. See, because my headsets. Wow! If you will see my headset, really, it's funny. It's all broken. See. Oh, that's so sad. Careful, I have to be careful, because if this one is not working, I can return this with this one have a 7 days warranty. So after 7 days you cannot return it, so I have to try and unbox this one carefully so that I can easily return it with the not broke box. So,
Oh my God! Wow!
here you go guys. This one is like 3 meters. So this one is 3 meters. See? And made for mobile devices. But I try also in iPad. Maybe can be fit. So 2.4A faster. So we'll see how fast is this one. So my eyes actually I cannot see, I cannot read anymore without using my eyeglasses.
A few moments later.
Hola! Oh my God, I become old. Hello guys, see, this is my new eyeglass for reading. So now I can read easily. Universal Serial Bus. And this one, Dongguan Body Electronic Corporation Limited, Guangdong, China. So made to say this is made in China, of course. Now we have to open now. I don't know if it is working. I already have the socket for that cable. So let me see if this one is working. this is 3 meters. It's kind of long. You know, I'll try to find a cable that is this much long. I don't like, not like this. You see, this one is easily cut when you, so I don't want to throw this one, but I will keep it. I will still keep it, this one, in case of emergency. I have a charger to put it on my iPad. Or there you go, my iPad. So we'll try the cable. So I really wanted to buy cable that is long, so when I sleep, then the socket is there, so it's connecting or very easy to move. I don't need to get up and get, you know what I mean. Oh my god, it's working.
Oh my god! Wow!
It's charging right now. Thanks be to God. So, okay. Anyway guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video. And now we are 288 subscribers. Please don't forget to like and share my YouTube video, guys. Thank you for your support. MSG, kasexing tech. Yeah, so papalitan ko na yung black haba. Yun na nga, kasexy. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.